Toys and enrichment activities are crucial for keeping your bird mentally stimulated. Birds can get bored easily, which can lead to behavioral problems. Rotate toys regularly to keep things interesting. Look for toys that encourage natural behaviors like foraging, climbing, and chewing. Avoid toys with small parts that can be swallowed. Maintaining your bird's health and hygiene is also vital. Regular nail trimming, bathing, and cage cleaning are essential. Invest in bird-safe cleaning supplies and a bird bath to keep your feathered friend clean and comfortable. Remember to clean food and water dishes daily and change the cage liner